It's colder than a witch's tit out here today. Hey everyone, welcome to the Chopper Fit channel. My name's Brett, and we make motorcycle videos and motorcycle vlogs. Today we're freezing our ass off to bring you guys content. I hope it's appreciated. Just kidding, it's a great excuse for me to go ride on my lunch break. So today we're talking about this little device that you see here underneath the Gopro. I'm going to post a link to it because it's made by a manufacturer that I cannot pronounce. But I picked it up off of eBay. I think it was like $12 or $13 shipped to my door. So if you're like me, you've been through a ton of motovlogging setups, and you're always having to do this, do that, do the bracket this way, do the bracket that way, to dial in the perfect point of view. Guys, this is the perfect point of view with no fuss whatsoever. What I mean by that is this thing is fully removable. So I am not going to have any sort of brackets left behind when I'm done riding. It's going to look like the helmet should. And honestly, I'm very happy about that, because when I would pick up my Shoei when I was riding last season and I wasn't recording, I still had this big old black bracket on the helmet, and it doesn't look right unless you're actually recording. So anyway, I decided to try this out, and I'm going to probably buy a few more of them, to be honest, because I do rock about 3 different helmets, and I don't want to have to necessarily take it off every single time I want to change motovlog setups, but I think if I had a couple of them, I could at least keep that going. So I'm going to cut to a video here of the garage where I'm showing you how easy this thing is to install.
Alright everyone, so now I'm here to show you how this exactly works on the helmet itself. As you can see on my Atlas, we already have it situated on here, so we can't open and close. It does actually lock in here as well. As many people say it does not, but it does actually lock in place even with this thing attached. Now, as you see, I have 2 different versions of it here. So the first one, this is the one that I've been using so far. And as you can see on this one, it has like this blue padding on the back, which is nice. It means it's not going to scrape up or damage your helmet. Now the one thing that is nice about this is this one has buckles. So there's a lot of other out there, you gotta be careful which one you buy, that don't have buckles. So these kind of go inside the helmet visor and they buckle inside. Now, one thing that will be an issue is you will lose a little bit of the chin curtain because of the way this kind of comes up and under, but I haven't found that that's really affected my wind noise all that much. Now there is a new option out there, and this one here is all black, which I do like better because it will fit the color scheme of my helmets better. And on top of that, it's adjustable. So you can see it there, kind of like a dog collar. You have the ability to tighten it and loosen. Now, this one does also come with a buckle, but the buckle is probably not as secure feeling. When I put the clip in there, I mean, it locks, it's not going anywhere. It's just a little bit flimsier than the blue one that we have. But overall, these things clip in very easily. And I want to show you on the helmet here just how it looks. So there's the helmet with it attached. And as I was telling you before, it does kind of affect the chin curtain just ever so slightly. It kind of tucks up and in, which for my big mouth, it actually makes it kind of a little bit easier to get the helmet on with this on. But let me just show you quickly how easy it does attach and detach. So, pop 1, pop 2, your device is free, there you have it. Now to put it on, I have found that I just get one on first. So I am going to get the left one on first, take the strap, and I'm just going to basically manhandle it until you hear the click on the first one. And then there's a little ridge, as you can see right here. I found that that's good if that conforms to the bottom of the helmet. See there? Okay, Now we're going to take the other strap, feed it through, and we're going to, once again, we're going to feed it through, and then once again we're going to just, usually just snaps into place. So sometimes you have to do it blind, but then you got a perfectly centered helmet mount. Now back to riding Brett.
And just like that, guys, that's how easy this is. It's amazing. Now, I think the camera, given the fact that this thing is centered, completely centered, and GoPros are a little bit centered to the left with the lens on the camera, the perspective might be off just a hair, but I'm not worried about that. I'll sacrifice a hair of perspective for a lifetime of ease. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video here today. Still trying to film content here in the dead of winter, so I'm trying to come up with quick episodes to entertain y'all. But definitely check this out. I'm not affiliated. I'm not posting an affiliate link. This is just the link to the product that I'm using. I'm hoping when I get home and I start looking at these again, I'll be able to post links. I know they had an orange one, but I really want a black one because the blue does kind of stick out like a sore thumb. Doesn't really bother me too much on the white helmet, but on some of my other helmets it might not look right at all. So with that being said, though, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Check it out. See ya.